Welcome viewers to my video. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Daniel. Alright, in this video I want to walk you through on how you are to offer free courses online and get a free certificate without paying a kobo, without paying any money at all. So I've done this and it works, and I thought it's good to share with my subscribers, to share with you guys on the internet. So when you come to this place, the name of this site is called simplylearn.com. That is the name. I'm going to drop the link in the comment section. If you're watching this on Facebook, if you're watching from my YouTube, in the description section below is there. You could also go to Play Store and type simplylearn.com. Simplylearn.com, okay? You will find it there. Simplylearn.com. So you find it there and you download. So here is the course I've offered before. If you look at this place, now all this one that expired is that I did not complete it within the space given to me. You only be given 3 months. I think within 3 months to complete any course you've applied for. So I was able to complete this one, and that's why I have my certificate. Here's my certificate. You can see Intro to Data Analyst. So that's for that. So when you come to this site, I believe the first thing you want to do is to make sure that you sign up. It is to sign up here. Let me show you something. If you click at this site, look at this kind of image there, icon image. If you click there, you say hi Daniel, you will see your details. Okay, so this is where you can sign out. You can sign out here and do other stuffs here, and you can also download the video, like delete or download the video. You can download the video also and watch offline. So it is making sense. If you have data night sub, you can just download everything once and you continue, but I don't think downloading them will make sense to me, so that's why I don't even bother download. I just watch each time I have chance. I watch, come back again, watch, and you can just learn at your own speed. So once you are here, the first thing you want to do, you can see top categories. You can see different type of categories of courses you could offer. Just come here and check out for things you think you are looking for. So under software development, you can see here, if you click on software development, it will give you courses under software development, which are Python for beginners, Intro to SQL, which is MySQL, like a database, blockchain developer, professional certificate program. Now this one's called professional certificate program. They are paid. Yeah, I think so. Let's check. I think they are paid courses. Let me see. If it's not paid, then that's making sense. I think it's making sense. Then it's not. I can't see any traces of payment here. So you could just check it out yourself. Okay, there's nothing bad checking out yourself. So if you want to get more, you can see all here. If you want to get more courses, like to see under this software development, to see other courses, you can see this see all here. Once you click on that see all, it will bring you other ones. Like, then you can choose any that is you think you want to go for. Intro to HTML, Intro to C++, React.js for beginners, Intro to robotic process automation, Salesforce administration, app builder, stuffs like that. There are so many here. You can just Intro to CSS, so many. Intro to Linux course, R programming for beginners, Intro to cryptocurrency, Intro to Flutter course online. So there are many courses here you can just start up with, and Intro to Android Studio course. So once you just finish it, the next thing you want to do is to make sure that you proceed to getting your certificate. You can use the certificate to upgrade your CV. You can use it to upgrade your portfolio. You can put it on what's it called, on LinkedIn, no, on your social media. Just put it there. So I'm going to pick any of these courses now. Let's say I'm going for intro to robotics processing. So I'm going to click this intro to robots process. So I'll allow you to load. So after you clicked it, it will give you information on that particular course. So you go through it. You can see now 1 hour. So that will tell you that this course, within the space of 1 hour, you will finish this course and have your certificate. Next one, 1 hour of self-paced lesson. It simply means that you can watch. 1 hour doesn't mean you will watch it stretch 1 hour. No, the videos are like divided, kind of divided. You get it now? So there are some 20 minutes, there are some 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 3 minutes, 2 minutes, like that. So you can watch anyone, then you come back. It has a progress back counter. Like once you are watching, the progress of your progress is being counted for you. So you can come back anytime, any moment, come and continue where you stop. So the next one is complete certificate. That means completion certificate awarded on course completion. Now you must complete the course before you get a certificate. 90 days access to your free course, and the level of the course is what is beginner. So within the space of 90 days, you are given to finish that course, and if not, it will expire. So this is how your certificate will look like. That's what I showed you my own. You can preview it and see how it will look like. You get it? So by the time you finish a course, you will be able to change this name. They will give you a space where you will add your name today. After adding your name, then it becomes yours. It becomes customized to your name. So that's just how to do this thing. It's very simple and easy. So for you to start this course, you can check on curriculum, where you will be able to check. You can see what I said now. These are the lessons under it. You can see robot process automation lesson under it, 9 minutes lesson under it. So these are how the lessons are well arranged. You can see here it is free. So if I want to start this course now, I'm going to click on start learning. I don't want to start this course. I don't want to. So before I round up this video, please, if you're watching this video for the very first time and you love what you're watching, give this video a thumbs up so it can reach out to more people, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe, don't forget to do it now. So the next thing you have to do here is I want to show you something. Is when you come back to this place, yes, I told you it is free. Once you come in new, click on that icon we clicked before. Click there. Then I want to show you something. You will see what is called refer and learn. This refer and learn simply means you are not paying, but they just want you to refer this app to more people so that more people can get to know you are not paying a dime. So what you just need to do is to click on refer and learn. There is a unique link for you there. So you just copy this. Just click on copy link. You see it has written copied. Once you copy this link, you can share it with your friend. You tell people about it. Like you watching it now, I'm dropping the link. This link is what I'm dropping for you to download the app. So once you download this app, look at it here, how it works. Invite your friends to skill up. Get at least 2 friends to enroll in a course. Once your friend enroll, they get 4 free courses. That means once you are enrolling now using my own link, you are getting 4 free courses. The next one is you then can enroll into as many courses as you like. So you get it now. So if you register with my link, you will get 4 free courses. 4. Then if you now take that link, if you take your own referral link and share with a friend, your friend will be able to get 4 courses. You now will now be able to get unlimited courses. So that is just how it works. So you are not paying a dime, you are not paying any cover at all. Just refer and learn, and that's all. I don't think this is difficult or this is hard for anybody to do. So thank you very much and for watching this video to the end. I love you guys, and don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and give this video a reaction. Thumbs up, please give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video.